Depression scales are great tools that come in the form of questionnaires that were created to gauge the severity of a person's depression. The Kutcher Adolescent Depression Scale, also known as KADS-11, was developed by Stan Kutcher, and it was designed to gauge adolescents and their levels of depression. It was also created using language and phrasing that may be common in their age group to better get through to them as they go about the assessment. The test can be used as an indication of the severity of patients' depression, help create a treatment plan, and also track whether the treatment plan is having an effect. The scale covers 11 items which the patients respond with 0 hardly ever, 1 much of the time, 2 most of the time, and 3 all of the time. An example of some of these items ask whether they have been having sleep difficulties, whether they are irritable, whether they are feeling fatigued, and more. The next step is to tally the score. This particular depression scale doesn't have a rating range or designations, but the higher the score, the more likely it is that the client has a high or severe level of depression. To find our Kutcher Depression Scale test, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.